Welcome back to CAD Station, and in today's tutorial we are going to convert these 2D sketch into 3D model using the Solidworks 2022. So this is our final model. Let me show you by section view. We are going to make this profile like this. We are going to make this profile and we are going to use the feature Revolved Boss base. So let's start from new and the part. Before starting, if you're new to CAD Station, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Let's start from changing the unit system to millimeters and next front plane. Now I'm going to select the line and just at a distance from the origin make a rough sketch like this and skip. Now I'm going to select the 3-point arc from here to and just make a random arc. Now I am going to select this line and by pressing Ctrl select another line and make the relation equal. Now similarly select this line and press the Ctrl and the top line and equal. One more relation from these two dots by pressing the Ctrl make the relation horizontal and OK. Now next is we are going for the smart dimension. This time this is 5 mm. This arc is of a distance of 15 mm and the width is 6 mm. This is 25 mm by default and OK. Next is the distance from here to here is going to be 75 divided by 2. Let me confirm it. The total here we can find 75 from here to here is 75, so we have done correct as 75 divided by 2. Again select the line and this time for construction make a vertical line at origin and escape. Now you can easily go to the features and Revolved Boss base and simply OK. Now next step is we are going to select the bottom face and sketch square and make a rectangle. Next is make a circle here, select circle and just make a circle here. Now we are going for smart dimension. This is 135 and 64 plus 15. So 135. This is 64 plus 15 for upper radius and plus 15 for lower radius and OK. Next is the circle. You can find this arc is of radius 60. So this is of dia 60 into 2 is 120. Now go for the line and from this edge just make a line here, double click, again from here to here and double click. Similarly for the bottom and double click. Right now we are going to make the relations as select this line, press the Ctrl button and the circle. This is going to be tangent. Now similarly the line and the circle by pressing the Ctrl tangent. Circle, Control plus line and tangent and similarly circle, line and tangent. Right now we are going for the trimming treaties and just trim this one. OK. Now next is we are going for the flick of radius 10 mm. These all 4 sides and now you can change at 15 and OK. Now next is we have 4 holes. So at the center point make randomly 4 holes but use the same center point as the flick. OK, skip. Now escape. I have pressed the Ctrl and select these four circles. Now make the relation equal. Now you have to mention the dimension of the circle, as these holes are of four holes of 15 mm diameter. So this is going to be of 15 mm diameter, and okay. Now we are going to extrude it up to 10 mm. This is the bottom is of 10 mm. So then features Extrude Boss base. This is going to 10 mm and okay. Now there is a hole, so I'm going to again select the top plane that is above this surface. So top plane, and let's sketch. Make a circle. I'm again pressing Ctrl 8 and just make a circle here. This circle is going to be of you can find these as here. This is 75 and okay, you can find here this arrow is coming downward and this is 80. So smart dimension, this is of 80 mm diameter, and features Extrude Cut. Now this time Extrude Cut is going to be through all, but we are going to use draft of 45 degrees, but at draft outward, and okay. Now you can find we have created a tapered site here. So Control 7 for isometric view. The last thing is we have a flick at this edge, and this is of I guess 5 mm. You can find the radius is 5 mm. So let's change this as 5 mm and okay. Now we can change the appearance. Control 7 for isometric view, and we are going for the appearance, and you can select any one of the appearance. I'm going for this metal. Let's make it of silver, matte silver, or you can select any one of your choice color, and I'm going for the now you can change its orientation, and it's completed. We have just modeled the same 3D model as mentioned or model in the sketch. So I hope this tutorial helps you regarding the SolidWorks basic commands. In the last of the tutorial, if you are new to guide station, I again request you to subscribe the channel, and if this video finds you helpful, then press the like button and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.